Hello, welcome to Whiskey Talks. This is Anmol, and today I'm going to talk about what happens to people who go viral overnight and get the chance to taste the sweet juice of so-called success. And based on that, you will be able to choose for yourself if you really aspire to go viral overnight or want to slowly build your content and your career. You see, most of people on social media wants to gain followers and get more and more attention. And posting regularly and relatable things make you reach more and more audience, and people start recognizing you and your content. But building your stronghold and a good reach on social media can take up a lot of time and commitment, and you will be needing something great to make content about, something you are really good at. But there is a great tool that social media and internet have in its back pocket, and it is the ability to make things go viral. Anything can go viral over internet. It can be someone crying while paragliding, a fan's reaction after a cricket match, a woman singing on a railway station, or a guy who finds stupidity over the internet and tries to correct it. Thanks, genius. These people get unexpected millions of views overnight, and the creator gets all the publicity and fame he had never worked for. Well, some people work for it and they deserve it. But there are two types of people who go viral, and I will talk about them later. But when someone goes viral, all the crazy public and media start following him on different social media platforms. His followers start running up. Everybody all around the internet starts watching and noticing him. And if the craze starts to go above the Everest, a minister might visit your home for a bad key song that you sung for your teacher during the school hours. Well, it was entertaining for sure, but worthy of getting him as a guest on a national talent hunt based reality show? I don't think so. But our public don't care about anything except for
entertainment, entertainment, entertainment.
So wanted to get fame? Go share some shit and pray for your shit to go all over the continent. But what happens with the people who go viral? Do they become successful after the night of million views? Well, famous, yeah. Successful? I don't think so. I mentioned earlier that there are two kind of people who go viral. One, who were working all the time on their craft but never got a big break. To them, going viral would be that big break, and it will be great push towards their success. And the second one are who never worked for it, nor have a craft. They just danced on reels and went viral, or shot a video in front of a van and made people go crazy. I'm going to talk about the second group who go famous but never go successful. Let us go through their timeline. So one day, a man was living his ordinary life, doing regular stuff. He was nobody, and all of a sudden the piece of shit he excreted on internet last night went viral, and people start running towards him. All of a sudden, he went to the top of world in his head, getting fame overnight.
That's what you want. That's the dream.
But soon as the trend went away and people got bored of that piece of content they were once crazy about, the creator of that piece went again to being nobody. But shouldn't it be alright? He was already nobody. It shouldn't matter if he is one again. But this time, it does matter. Because now he had tasted the sweet pulp of fame, publicity and all the attention. People were running after him, taking selfies, trying to get in contact and talking about him. But now, everybody forgot him or got bored of him. Well, how is he supposed to go back to what he was? He might have been poor or non-famous already, but this time he goes broke. And because he have no real talent to keep up with his success, he have to fall back to the old days of walking in the crowd. All that changes now, sometimes he get recognized, but still not admired or appreciated. And this time, he feel worse than the time he was that nobody before the whole viral thing. So you should know that and be careful what you wish for. And if you think you can handle all this stuff, you should surely go for this and wish for the internet to use its greatest tool to your advantage. And that's all for today. Hope you like this video. If you do, click on the like button. And if you're new, subscribe to Whiskey Talks. See you next time.